So, when it comes to education, how do we really know what works in the classroom? You see claims like this all the time, right? But how do we get past the hype and find out what's real? That's where educational research comes in. It's how we get reliable answers to make smart decisions.
And this isn't about opinions. It's a structured search for what genuinely works in teaching and learning.
For any research to be trustworthy, it's got to be neutral, reliable, valid, and apply broadly.
Think of it like a camera. Researchers basically use two different lenses to see what's going on.
The wide-angle lens? That's quantitative research. It's all about numbers and measuring things on a large scale. It answers questions like, what happened? Or, how much did things change? By looking at the data. Then there's the zoom lens, which is qualitative research. This explores the stories and context behind the numbers.
So here, you're asking, why did it happen? You're getting those rich details from interviews and observations.
Okay, look at this. When you lay them out side by side, you can really see their different strengths. Which brings up the big question. Do you go for the big picture or the deep, personal stories? Well, what if you didn't have to? Turns out the most powerful insights come from combining them. And that's called mixed methods research. It blends the what's from the numbers with the why from the stories. And why do it? Well, it gives you a much richer, more complete, and frankly more reliable understanding. Okay, let's circle back to that Math Genius app from the beginning and see how this works. You'd measure test scores for lots of students, sure, but you'd also interview some to get their real experience. And that's the magic right there. The numbers tell you if it worked, and the stories tell you how.
So what's the big takeaway here? Why is all this so important in the real world?
It means educators can make decisions based on solid evidence, not just the latest trend or gut feeling. This whole process helps make sure that new tools and policies actually help students learn and succeed. Because that's what it's all about, right? Turning good ideas into real proof that helps every single learner.